Here we have our Bissell 2284W vacuum filter replacements. As you guys can see, I haven't opened this one yet, and so we're going to do that together. And I'm also going to answer some of the questions you guys have, and so we're going to do an unboxing, show you all this stuff, and answer questions at the same time. So the first and major question that most everybody has is, which Bissell models does this filter fit? And so I would say definitely check the actual listing itself, but I'm going to just start naming off a bunch of stuff for you guys so you know. And so it's compatible with the 2284W 2390. Oh, something fell here. Yeah, so we have our, so the first thing here is we have our little mesh. I don't know what you want to call these things. My words are escaping me, but these are definitely something to catch a lot of the dust and all of that other fun stuff. I forget what these things are called, but most vacuums have these things. But anyways, let's get back to the actual thing. So 2248W 2390, 2389, 2390A, and 2579. It also replaces the part numbers 16. I'm not actually going to read all these, but you guys can see this. But the most important thing is that this is not compatible with the 2024E model, or like the Shark or the Tenesco vacuums or anything like that. So always verify your model numbers beforehand. Okay, so so that's the most important part. So now that I've opened this, let's talk about these. So yeah, these little mesh thingies. Again, I don't know. They're just filters, right? And so this is what it looks like right here. So you can see this. You can see the bottom part right here. This is a little bit of a flexible here, so that way it creates that seal. And so that's what that looks like. The other one is basically looks the exact same. And so again, we have two more of our little filter things and our dust catchers, or whatever you want to call them. And so if we open this up here, you can see that we also have this cleaning tool here as well. And these are the same. So I'll go ahead and just hold this. Okay, so now let's get back to the questions. What comes in the package? I've already seen that. You get 2 separator component filters, 4 foam filters. That's what they're called. These 4 foam filters. And here you have your component filters, 2 mesh filters, and one cleaning brush. Okay. And our mesh filters are in here. So yeah, so what color is the filter? This one specifically is black. Okay, this is a black filter. It's not green. This is black. All right, I'm holding it in my hand so you guys can see that. What does this small black foam, where does the small black foam filter go? So this is definitely a frequently asked question right here. And so the small black foam filter goes inside the black separator assembly filter. To find it, you're going to remove the holding tank like you're going to empty it, and then you'll see the fins over the fans. That's where the small black foam filter sits on the side, okay? So next, how often should I replace these filters? It says every 3 to 6 months, depending upon how much you're using it. If you're using it a lot, it is suggested that you do every 3 months. If you're using it not so much, you should be reusing it every 6 months. However, these filters are reusable and washable, so you can clean them between replacements. And so, yeah, that's what I definitely do a lot of the times, is just clean it all the way through, because eventually, if you're using it a lot, you get all that buildup and stuff to vacuum, basically, or it just basically stops working. Are these filters easy to clean? Yes, the mesh can be removed to make it easier to clean. Are you ready? Watch. Twist, open, easy. Twist, close, back on. That easy, exactly that easy. How well do these filters perform compared to the original? These things are absolutely amazing. There's so many people, including myself, that this thing works very, 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 very well for, okay? And so it's how long do these filters usually last? For several years, depending upon proper care and all of this other fun stuff as far as cleanliness, how often you're using it, et cetera, et cetera. And so they last for a very, very, very long time. The key is to just keep them clean if you want them to last a very long time. And so, yeah, the how these are compared to the original, again, you just can't beat it. You can't beat it. And then does it come with, a lot of people are asking, does it come with the black filters and the cleaning tools and all this other stuff? And yes, I showed you. We do have our foam filters here, and we also have our cleaning tool, and we also have this, and then this is also very easily cleaned. So yeah, so hopefully that helps you with your purchasing decision, and